In this video, I will show you how you can set Google Gemini as your default voice assistant on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Google app, then tap on your profile icon over here. On this page, just scroll down and tap on Settings. Now from here, just tap on Gemini. Now just tap on More, then select Use Gemini. After that, just scroll down and tap on Talk to Gemini hands-free. From here, just make sure that the toggle for Hey Google has been enabled. Now if it is turned off, just turn it on from here. Now just tap on More, then select Turn On. Now just tap on Done. Now sometimes it might require you to set up Hey Google. For that, just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup process. Now after you enable Talk to Gemini hands-free, then just go back. And from here, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Digital Assistant from Google. Now from here, just make sure that Gemini is selected. And after you've done that, now if you go to your home screen and if you say, Hey Google, you will enable Google Gemini on your Samsung phone. Just like that. Now if you want to set Google Gemini as the default assistant on your power button, then just go to Settings. And under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. From here, just tap on Side button, then tap on Long Press. Now instead of the Power Off menu or Bixby, just select Digital Assistant from Google. Now sometimes you might not find the option for Google over here, so in that case, just select Perplexity or any other AI over here, then tap on the Settings icon. Now as you can see, if it is on Perplexity, it will change the default Digital Assistant to Perplexity. So make sure you tap on the Settings icon and select Google instead of Perplexity AI. And after you do that, you will be able to use Gemini by pressing and holding on the power button, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.